Good morning everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. Today John and I are making our third attempt out Mount Sherman. We're hoping third time's a charm here. It is middle of July. I don't know what today's date is. What's today's date, like the 14th, 15th? Anyway, so it's the middle of July. The wildflowers are absolutely popping off on our drive up. They were everywhere. I hope you can see this huge field behind me, but we're really excited. We're chasing some clouds, so we're gonna get going this morning. They seem to be dissipating, so we might be in some luck. It's only about 2.5 miles up with like 2,000 feet of elevation gain, so short but steep. Are you ready, John? Nice little flat part, right at about 3/4 of a mile. And then we're gonna start climbing. We can see people up at the top up there. That's where we're going. First half mile was rough. I think the rest of it's gonna be pretty rough too, but we're chugging along. We have made it to the saddle. This looks so crazy different than the last time John and I attempted this. This is where we turned around in the snow because our dog and the other dog we had with us couldn't make it, and it was crazy windy. It is not like that today. We're actually talking we might be able to fly our drone as long as these clouds kind of dissipate. They've been going in and out, so we're still gonna keep chugging up to the top. But what a view. This is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. The flowers are popping. That was the first fall summit. We gotta keep going. Sherman, 14,043 feet. Finally did it. 14 or 15, I think. We did it! We made it up Mount Sherman. We made it back to the car before the weather started. It took us exactly 3 hours of moving time to get up and down the mountain. Total, we were up there about 5 hours. It said 4 hours and 45 minutes, but that included our stops to take pictures and fly the drone. So super cool that we got to fly the drone too. Usually it's super windy up at the top of 14ers. It was relatively calm until the clouds started to roll in. So this was awesome. Our first 14er of the 2022 season. So I'm excited for more 14ers, and check out my video from the last time we attempted Sherman to see how different it was.